So, welcome back, viewers. Welcome back. Thank you so much to those that are following me and what I'm doing. Just what I'm arguing, if you're just coming, just subscribe. You'll get to know the information and the educative things that I do around here. So, today, viewers, we're going to look at finding the mean. We're going to look at finding the mean, and we're going to start with the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. So, we are going to look at two ways of finding mean, and however these questions come with a different. Sometimes they will just say find the mean. So if they ask you to find the mean, simply according to the observations given, sometimes we find using the arithmetic mean method, and sometimes the question will be coming when they are asking you to find the mean using the working or the assumed mean of a given number, and it's most of the time a constant. So we are given these observations and we are asked to find a mean. Given 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 65. Okay, let's take 60. They are asking you to find the. Sometimes they may just say find the mean, or they ask find the arithmetic mean. So to find the arithmetic mean of such observations, simply we find the sum or the summation of the observations we have, divide by or out of the number of the observations, as I'm going to do it here. So the arithmetic mean will simply be to find the summation of the above observations, x out of the number of the observation or the frequency. So in that it will be equals 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 and then plus 60. So here we shall divide by the number of frequency. Divide by the number of frequency, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 5. Will equal to 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 plus 30, that is 60. 60 plus 40, that is 100. That is 160. So we have 160 divided by 5. Simply, this is what we're going to do. Now, in my recent video, we have looked at long division, and so you can divide this using long division method, or you may decide to take it this way, just for the pro or for the people that are understanding how to divide. So 5 goes into 16 3 times. So we shall write 3 and be here our 1. So 5 will go into 10 2 times, giving us the answer as 32. Then that is for the working mean. Then let's look at this is for the arithmetic. Let's look at the working mean. The working mean, sometimes it's the assumed mean. It's very simple. We use this method if you're finding the mean if you're given the working mean. Let's say, and most of the time the working mean is a constant. You're asked to find the mean, of the following using the assumed mean of. Now, according to the observations, we are going to use this example. According to the observation, according to the question, this one, we are going to use the observations that we have here. So we may have the working mean as 20. So the method we are going to use is going to be very simple. is going to be the summation of x take away m. M is the working mean out of n into brackets. This one also should be in brackets. Into brackets plus m. M is standing for the working order should be mean. And also we have it over here. Now, what we are going to do is very simple. We are going to get the difference between the observations we have here, and we find their summation. In that I mean, we have x in the observations. There are, let me construct a simple box over here, then another over here. So here it's x, m, and here we have x. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60. So here we have 10, take away 20, we shall get negative 10, then we shall get 0. This is 30, take away 20, we shall get 10. 40, take away 20, we shall get 20. 50, take away 20, we shall get 30. And then 60, take away 20, we shall get 40. And we find the summation here. We find the summation here. So the summation here will be, this one will be with this one, and that will be equal to 0. So this we have 20 plus 30, that is 50. Then plus 40, that is 90. Then going back to the formula, so we shall have the summation 90 out of the number of observations or the frequency, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of 5 plus the assumed given, which is 20. And however, it's the same as out of 1. Now, still adding fractions of the different denominators. I remember also we did it. Check down in my videos that I sent or I uploaded some time back. You'll see that video. So, to make it very simple, we just multiply the denominators. So 5 times 1 shall get 5. And then for the numerators, this is what we are going to do. Just introduce a multiplication briefly there. Then you are going to multiply 5 times 20, you get 100, plus 90 times 1, you get 90. Getting 100 plus 90, you get 190 divided by 5. So, how many 5s are in 19? There will be just 3. So that is 3. Remainder 4. The 4 will be here. Then 40 divided by 5, you will get 8. And that is it. So that is our mean if you're using the assumed mean of 20. So if you have found this information interesting, educative and knowledgeable, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell for the latest or the recent videos. Thank you.